have our second open house today, so we're just getting out of the house. Okay. There's Ocean Breeze, new car, or ice. So it's officially the first day of school. We always go to Tutti Frutti. Today we're gonna have lunch at the Charleston, one of our favorite tea rooms, and then go to Tutti Frutti later. Miss Harper has apricot tea.
Dip, but that's okay. Good.
So I had to also get a teacup. Why did I have to get a teacup?
I want to have a tea party together.
Okay, so now it's a party. Matthew got the sampler with the baked potato soup. I got the same, but with the broccoli salad. Colton, what do you have?
Goji some fruit.
Oh, yeah, they got the same thing. All right, let's eat. And now we're at Tutti Frutti. Y'all probably think all we do is eat, and that is probably true. So we're doing our first day of school tradition, and we also do this on the last day of school. Okay, it is now Wednesday. I was sitting here with Harper. We were trying to...
I know the title is, but I can't not practice. I told Dad I'd be here. He's the great chief. Trust me. I know what I'm doing.
I really hate talking dolls. Anyway, we're trying to untangle their hair because it's a mess. But anyway, she just abandoned me because it's time to play video games. So now I am in her room brushing the doll's hair by myself because that's what I feel like doing right now. So, update on the house. We don't have any offers yet, which is a little frustrating, but it hasn't even been on the market a week, or it's been exactly a week today. So, I'm just a very impatient person. We did have another photographer come out today to do a drone video of our backyard, and that should be up on the website soon. So anyway, just wanted to let y'all know what was going on. I will update if we get any news soon. Hopefully we will. Anyway, thanks for watching.